Hey worlds, welcome back. I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make an intro like this. So let's get into it. Let's get it ready. So I'm gonna help y'all out. Let's get to it. For your first step, you want to create a new project using the YouTube intro template. So you go to create a design on Canva. You type in YouTube. Could do a YouTube video. Then boom, you have that up. You put in your background, whichever color, whatever template you want. For this purpose of the video, I'm gonna do the freeway on Canva. So I'm gonna look up a purple background. I'm not spelling correctly. It's okay. I'm gonna look up purple gradient background. We're gonna try and look for a free one. Then next, this is like a two-part step. You go add your text. For example, I'm going to use my channel name. And for this part, you could change up your font to any font you want. For example, on Canva, I have my brand kit on here. So I have my set fonts I use. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit, increase the size on this text. But if you want, usually to add more fanciness, duplicate your text, change the font to like a script font. Change it to whatever effect you want. You do this, and then also animate the background, which I'm going to do. There's many different things you can do. Typewriter, which I like that one. They have ascend, rises up. They have shift, goes down, merge, block, which is cool, burst. Just to give your intro some movement to it. You don't just want it to be text. So I'm gonna do this for that one. Both. Then I'm gonna animate both of these texts. So I have like two different things pretty much. What I'm also going to add next will be my pictures. So right now you can pick whatever pictures you want to pick and put it on your thing. For example, I'll get like two of my favorite pictures of myself, get those, crop the pictures. So here you'll see me crop the pictures just to clean them up a bit. And that's about it. Then you go to elements, you get your frames. So for here, you would put in Polaroid frame if that's what you want to do. Or actually, let's do a film frame. So go to there, put your picture in there, duplicate it again, put your other picture. Then pretty much all you want to do, line them up, go back to the top corner. And you always want, I don't know for me, but you always want to match up the sizes and make sure it's the correct sizes on both sides for both your pictures. Rotate this one. Then for this, you're probably like, yo, why is this one like this? I don't know what to do, So for here, you'll go to position. You move it to the back. You keep pressing backwards so you see it behind your text. And also to make this pop, I'm going to change my text color to this. Both, and then tumble, both, boom. See that animation? Awesome. Then you duplicate your page. Now you're on your second page. Drake to me. Or you could do, you know, follow me. Boom. You have that in one corner. Then you start listing off your Instagram, for example. Why am I forgetting my platform? That's funny. Royalty Naya. That's TikTok. Then this last one, I'll say Royal Visionary LLC, which is my business. Matter of fact, no, not gonna do that. Let's just say I'm gonna put down to frames and scroll through it, and it's the first one. Could you believe it? Could you believe it? It's the first one. It's literally scroll down, it's right there under the computer. And boom, done. That's how you chop up the video. Then next, after you do a run through of your video to make sure it looks good, okay? I have to fix the animation on these texts real quick. So for example, if you want to select all the text, you simply hit shift, click on the text, animate it. Most times you just put white, and we're also going to animate the icons, and then after that you can simply group everything and you're done, just like that. Banner, you do your intro, you do your thumbnails. Just make sure you have a cohesive branding for your channel. You don't want to have different colors across the board. You want to stick to certain colors. Like for example, some of my thumbnails are purple and brown. Some of my the other thumbnails are black and yellow. You know, it stays, all them are. There you go. You just made your very own YouTube intro for free 99. But for real, keep pushing on your goals. If you want to do YouTube, start your channel. Don't wait till it's next month, next year. Don't do that. Do what you gotta do. If you need any YouTube advice, any life advice, any college advice, feel free to hit me up. I'm happy to help. I love you girls. Stay safe, stay blessed, keep manifesting, keep praying, keep journaling. Take care of yourself and stay blessed. Love ya. Peace.